Ooh, oh, this is gonna be a good one. We've got Trinity versus Altoh, and I know both these guys here are been on the grind for sure. All right, ah man, I love it, love it, love it, love it. All right,
When you close your
love the glasses. I know this isn't the first time Trinity has done that, and I love that's been a theme within his shows.
you see the light, something deep
Wow.
inside
More death play, love it. I'm a sucker for those forms. Look at that. That set is gnarly. Oh.
Close your eyes.
Not. Wow. Yo! Yo! That just made my mind go crazy. Wow. Dang.
The story begins.
Nice.
Close your eyes. Takes you to a higher ground. This time. How does it feel?
Love the versatility here. Yo, that climby back thing? Oh my god.
Deep inside you. It's calling now. I can see it in your eyes.
Nice conjure there to turn off the Inovos. Very clean liquid here. I love that grab he did.
Close your eyes.
Sheesh. That was a sick move. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Yo, the upside down. Wow. Man.
Time after time.
Bro, that was insane. There was some like next level technology I seen in that one. Like, okay, like there was an actual like potentially new concept in there where like you just blind the audience so the lens gets covered by a bunch of lights, or well, bunch of lights, by a really like powerful light, and then you could like hide all your lights within like the fog of it, dude. That was pretty nasty. I'm gonna have to play with my Inovas after this. Gnarly, dude. Big improvement, honestly. Let's go ahead and watch Altoh now. Ooh, interesting selection to go at the beginning. Very accurate representation of the music. Wow, look at that fluidity. So clean. Wow. Ooh, here we go. So clean. Woo! Love the patience with the tech here. Whoa. Oh. Oh man. Very disciplined. Love the space usage. Damn, some OG bird creature move there. Ooh, some Dow cluster thingy there. Let's go. When he goes into that tech, it's very satisfying. Dude, so sick. I really love the fact that there were a lot of more higher value moves in that show. I feel like, part of a mature Glover is knowing when to slow down for your execution. And I thought that in between, like, it was really interesting. Utilizing the flails and finger rolls, but faster during, in between of the drops, I thought was a really interesting choice. Let's go ahead and see if that will pay off at the end of this round. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.